Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. I have a brand new backpack here from Vanquest. If you guys may or may not know, but I love the Vanquest line of products. We actually stock their fat packs. We sell them empty and we sell them full of supplies. So this backpack I'm wearing today is the IBEX-35 and it is packed full. It's a big boy, which is why I wanted it. I was kind of thinking about doing maybe a search and rescue style bag. Haven't done one of those in the past. I've done medical bags out of these. I've done bug out bags out of these backpacks. I haven't really done a kind of a search and rescue bag, so that's kind of what I was leaning towards. Not to say this backpack wouldn't make a great medical bag or bug out bag, get home bag, whatever you want to, but I was kind of thinking about the search and rescue. So while I've got the backpack on, we'll just go ahead and start with the shoulder pads. It's got nice thick shoulder pads here, make it very comfortable. One of the downfalls of having such a big backpack like this is that you could overweight it. I mean, it's very easy to pack a lot of gear in here and get it so heavy that you're not going to actually carry it. So great shoulder pads here. Actually has adjustable height here. I'll show you that in just a minute. And then the belt here fits perfectly on my belt line and it's nice and secure. So even though I can pack the backpack a little heavy, I can carry it on my hips and it's not going to kill my back. Up here at the top part, we do have adjustable shoulder straps, which I really like that for somebody who's maybe a little bit taller than me, somebody who's maybe a little bit shorter than me, but you can adjust these up and down fairly easy. And these straps here secure it, so this backpack's gonna be nice and comfortable. Here is our waist belt. We can take this off if you want to, or you can leave it on, your choice. Nice thick padding. Like we said, this is a heavy backpack, so you're gonna need lots of padding. On the bottom here, we have 1,000 Cordura fabric. Up top here, we have 500. This is gonna be a great backpack to have out in the weather to keep all of your goods on the inside protected. On the outside here, I mounted just a few things. I used their water bottle holder, put a Berkeley water system here, that way I can filter water. In this bag, I have a couple sources for light, but on the outside, I mounted the Surefire Tactician with using the Vanquest gear lock. Now you can mount a flashlight, you can mount a hatchet, whatever you'd like to. This handle here expands out a lot to grab and hold whatever you'd like to. On the outside here, I mounted my X shears. These are a great pair of scissors. I have a review coming on those soon. We already have them stocked in our store. These are really cool shears. Stay tuned for that video. But I did go ahead and attach a scissor leash to them. That way these don't disappear. But you have plenty of reach here to move around. They're super sharp. You have a bungee cord system here. That way if you do want to secure some more items here on the outside, plenty of room for storage on the outside. On either side of the pack here, you're going to have a nice large pocket. When we unzip it, you're going to see that high visibility orange. For me, I like that. It lets me know that my bag is open. I mean, obviously it helps you see things inside as well. But for me, it lets me know my bag's open and I know stuff's not going to fall out. So, see what I put in here. I put some tape, put a survival blanket, and a lighter for fire. I have some more sources for fire as well, but just a lighter there. So you have a panel in here that you could hook their speed lock system into. On this side, have some matches, have some more way to start fire, and then decided to put a survival knife in here. This kind of gives you an idea how big this thing is. So you may have noticed when I was looking through these outside pockets that I was loosening these straps here, retention straps. There again, able to keep things nice and tight and closed. You have 4 on each corner. So this is gonna be a nice and secure gear bag. The good thing about these retention straps here is if you don't want them, you can tuck them out of the way. And still gives you a nice clean look. You have the large zip pulls here. I like those. You can get your hands into them very nicely. So now we'll take a look at these top pockets. So you have 2 pouches here on the top. You have a smaller one and a large one. These are actually designed for other pouches made by Vanquest. I'll show you that in just a minute. But I pulled those pouches out. Put a pair of safety glasses here. In a smaller pouch, I put some gloves. So the large pouch is designed to hold the Husky EDC 2.0. And the smaller pouch holds the personal pocket maximizer. Alright, so we'll get into the large compartment now. I know you guys kind of been wanting to see what's in there. So there again, you have nice big zipper pulls. Let's open all this compartment up. And this one's still locked. I like that you can lay the backpack open and see everything inside of it. So on the lid here, we have access to that larger pocket here where my safety glasses were at. We kind of have a mesh see-through pocket here. I decided to put a radio here. And then we have some hook and loop here as well. In my large compartment here, I did throw some rain gear in there. You know how that works out when you're in the woods. I put some rope. I put my essentials kit in here. You guys know I gotta have some trauma supplies in here, so this is my essentials kit. Then I also put just kind of a boo-boo kit in here. This is just our small Molly kit, but it's just kind of for boo-boos and has some medicines, things like that. This is on Vanquest's Molly lock system, so we have it Velcro, nice and secure. We have another gear lock here. This is the O-light here. So we have a couple of sources for light. For my hydration pack, I went with the ice plates. I've already done a review on these packs. Really cool hydration packs. So this IBEX-35 from Vanquest does have a frame in it. It's a big backpack, so that frame's gonna give us some nice ridges. If you don't like the frame, you can just completely take it out and make it a frameless backpack. So I hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder, maybe the right gear and the right training. This guy snuck up behind me, getting sneak attacked. Good night. Bringing reinforcements.